everyone! Today, we're making a Bernard Dropbear mobile. To start, find the Bernard printout on visitsanctuarycity.com in the download section. Then print out 6 Bernard colouring ins. He's one of the Dropbears from the Wishmas tree. Next, you're going to need some scissors to cut them all out. We're just cutting them out roughly right now, because next, we're going to paint them. We thought it would be fun to use watercoloured paints to colour in our new Dropbear friends. Also, don't be afraid to make these your own original designs. Look at all the cool colours we used on these. Okay, now that they're all coloured in, they're ready to go. So it's time for us to get rid of the excess paper. Great! Now we can make our mobile. First, grab 2 big sticks out of your garden and some twine or string. Put one stick on top of the other so that they become the shape of a cross or an X. To hold them together, wind the twine around the middle of the sticks like so. Once you've gone around and around with the twine so that the sticks stay fairly stuck in a cross shape, tie a knot. And now we can attach our Bernards to the mobile. Get some pieces of twine that are around 30 centimeters long. Make some longer and some shorter for a better hanging effect. And then tie a knot on one end of each piece that's about 1 centimeter from the bottom. Now we're going to use our stapler to attach the twine to our Dropbears. Make sure to staple the twine so that the knot is below the staple, and that way, when it's hanging up, the string won't slip through. Once the Bernards are stapled to the twine, you can tie them onto your mobile. Pick some random spots to tie them so they're all spaced apart. The last step is to tie 4 more pieces of twine to the mobile. Attach each piece to the outer end of each stick. Then, with the other end of the twine, tie them all together in the middle. Also, make sure to tie a loop in the middle so you can hang your mobile. When you're done, it should look like this. Now I've got plenty of Dropbear friends to watch over me, and so do you. See you next time!